Hi everyone, I'm Rachel, and today we are going to make a Valentine influenced cocktail called the Prosecco Spritzer. Very easy to make at home, so let's get started. First thing we need is some simple syrup. Next we're going to take some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Our sweetener component is going to be our Saint Germain, which is an elderflower liqueur. And now we're going to top with some Prosecco. Today we're using La Marca, but you can use any Prosecco or sparkling wine that you prefer. The trick to pouring any sort of sparkling wine into any glass really is just go slow. You're not in a rush. That will prevent the bubbles from really bubbling over in the glass. Once you have all the ingredients in, we're now going to mix them together. There you have the Prosecco Spritzer. For Valentine's Day, we wanted to show you some really fun garnishes that you can add to this cocktail. The first one is going to be a strawberry slice that is shaped into a heart. Just place that on the edge of the glass. The other garnish, my personal favorite, would be some of those candied hearts that you used to get as a kid on Valentine's Day. Just drop them right into the glass. They'll dissolve and it will make it nice and bubbly. And there you have it. Two different versions of a great cocktail called the Prosecco Spritzer. Enjoy.